Anger is actually a very valid and important emotion. When it gets to be bigger than us, we need to stop and think about what we can do for it. We need to figure out how to bring in ways to relax. For some people, that might be yoga. For other people, that might be putting aside time to really watch TV in an undistracted way, or taking a walk, or engaging with people that we love. But finding some sort of relaxing, enjoyable activity is one way to do that. Sleep is essential. You need to get enough sleep in order to manage your emotions effectively. And you want to eat right and exercise. All of those things are going to help you feel more in control of your emotions. And if those don't seem to work and you're still feeling this chronic irritability, go talk to someone. They're going to give you some additional strategies on how to change how you think about your anger to be more in control of it.